Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if Microsoft Edge appears to be opening up by itself on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the search menu, type in apps and features, best match should come back with apps and features. Go ahead and open that up. In the apps list field on the right side, you want to go ahead and search for Edge, and then go ahead and select the three-dotted icon next to Microsoft Edge and select the Modify button, and select Yes if you receive a user account control prompt. So you're going to get a little prompt here that says Repairing Microsoft Edge. Repairing Microsoft Edge requires internet connection and will reinstall the browser. Your browser data and settings won't be affected. Select Repair, and give us a minute here. And then hopefully that should have relaunched the Microsoft Edge web browser at this point, and hopefully you should be good to go. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.